Dear students, in the last class we have explained that is what are these chemical names and that is other names of these compounds, and I have given some questions in my Facebook. So today we will discuss these questions. Most of the students they have done these questions. Thank you all those who have appeared, and some questions that is ozone. It is named as oxone. Actually, this is not oxone, this is your ozone. Some students they have appeared as a oxone. This is ozone. So the first question, identify element, compound and mixture. Today we will discuss this answer for these questions and tally these answers and give a tick mark. And accordingly, we have to prepare questions and you should prepare for this exam. So the first question answer A, that is question number A, we have to separate that is elements, compounds and mixture. Elements, compounds and mixture from the question A, which carries 20 questions, is containing 1 mark. Ozone, that is having the formula O3, that is not oxone. Maximum students they have given as oxone. Oxone, that is another compound, that is Na2O2, that is compound. But this is ozone, that is element. O3, that is element. Purest form of the matter that contain only one kind of atom. Then next one, carborundum. Carborundum, that is having the formula SiC, silicon carbide, that is compound. Next one, dry ice, that is carbon dioxide, that is the solid, carbon dioxide solid, that is compound. Next one, gunpowder, that is mixture. Gunpowder, that is mixture of carbon, sulfur and that is potassium nitrate, that is mixture. Next one, brine, that is the 20% aqueous solution of that is NaCl, sodium chloride, therefore that is mixture. Next one, formalin, that is 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde, HCHO, formaldehyde, therefore that is mixture. Again, that is brass and bronze, these are the alloys. Brass and bronze, these are the alloys, that is the example of that mixture. Copper, tin, copper, zinc, that is brass, bronze. Wine, that contain ethyl alcohol, alcoholic beverages that contain ethyl alcohol along with water, therefore that is the example of that mixture, that is formalin. Vinegar, G, question number G, vinegar, that is 7 to 8% aqueous solution, 7 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid, CH3COH, that is mixture. Next one, brass we have explained, that is wine also we have explained, that is C2H5OH and water, that is mixture. German silver, that contains copper, nickel and zinc, that is German silver. Somebody has asked why it is named as German silver, because it is having shining surface just like that is silver. Next one, graphite, that is the example of that element, that is carbon, allotropic modification of carbon, non-metal that conducts electricity, that is graphite. Carbon, only that contain one kind of atom, that is carbon, therefore that is the example of that element. Next one, that is diamond, that is also carbon, that is carbon element. Next one, stainless steel, that contain, that is the mixture that contain nickel, chromium iron, etc. Therefore, that is the example of that mixture. Stainless steel. Next one, starch. Starch, starchy materials. So starch, that is the example of that compound that is having the formula C6H10O5 N. That is the compound. Carbon content 6, different kind of elements that combine the ratio, fixed ratio 6:10:5. That is carbon is to hydrogen is to oxygen. Therefore, that is the compound. Next one, starts marble. Marble or limestone or chalk, that is having the formula calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, that is compound. Next one, laughing gas. Laughing gas, that is N2O, that is compound. Next one, tear gas. Tear gas, that is CCl3NO2, that is also compound. Next one, blue vitriol. Blue vitriol, CuSO4 5 water, that is compound. Next one, plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half water, that is plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate, hemihydrate. Gold ornaments, these are the gold ornaments, that is the example of that mixture, because that contain, that is copper along with that gold, or that is silver along with that gold, that is mixture. Pure gold, that is highly malleable, therefore the ornament that is done by the addition of some impurities, that is copper or silver, to make it hard. Next one, so these are the 20 number of questions that I have given, that is identification of elements, components, mixture. Question number B, we have to write down the formula for the compounds, that is given one by one. Next we go for the second part, that is A part we have covered, second part, that is B part. Write down the formula for these compounds. First compound, that is A, ammonium dichromate. Ammonium NH4 plus, dichromate Cr2O7 2 minus. So 2 is multiplied, 1 is multiplied. So the formula is NH4 whole to Cr2O7. This is your compound radical that contain different kind of atom. Therefore, that should be given by brackets, or 2 is multiplied by giving the brackets. So ammonium dichromate. Second one, calcium nitrate. B is calcium Ca2 plus, nitrate NO3 minus. So 2 multiplied 1, CaNO3 whole 2, calcium nitrate. C, that is sodium oxalate, sodium Na plus, oxalate, that is C2O4 2 minus. So the formula will be Na2C2O4, sodium oxalate. Next one, potassium manganate. Potassium K plus, manganate, that is MnO4 2 minus. If you write down MnO4 minus, then it will be permanganate. This is potassium manganate. If you write down MnO4 minus, then that will be the formula for potassium permanganate. But question is potassium manganate, MnO4 2 minus. So that is having the formula K2 MnO4. Next one, magnesium nitride. Magnesium Mg2 plus, nitride N3 minus. So the formula will be Mg3N2, magnesium nitride. Next one, ferrous sulfide. Ferrous Fe2 plus, sulfide SO3 2 minus, sulfate SO4 2 minus, but this is a sulfide SUL PHITE. If that is SUL PHIDE, then that formula will AS2 minus. Since it is your, that is ferrous sulfide, then it will be SO3 2 minus. 2 to cancel, then it will be FeSO3. Next one, aluminum sulfate. aluminum sulfate, aluminum Al3 plus, sulfate SO4 2 minus. Formula will be that is Al2 SO4 whole 3, aluminum sulfate. Next one, barium phosphate, barium Ba2 plus, not beryllium, that is barium, Ba2 plus barium, but B2 plus, that is beryllium. So barium phosphate, Ba2 plus, phosphate, that is PO4 3 minus. 3 is multiplied, 2 is multiplied. So the formula will be Ba3 PO4, that is whole 2. Next one, calcium acetate, calcium Ca2 plus, acetate CH3 COO minus. The formula will be Ca CH3 COO whole 2, that is calcium acetate. Next one, calcium sulfide, calcium Ca2 plus, sulfide H2 minus, not sulfide, PHIT, that is SO3 2 minus. This is SUL PHIDE, that is S2 minus. The formula will be CaS, calcium sulfide. Sodium azide, sodium Na plus, azide, that is N3 minus. N3 minus, that is azide, but N3 minus, that will be nitride. This is azide N3 minus. If somebody has written that is N3 minus, that is the formula for that, that is nitride. Na plus, N3 minus, then what is the formula? NaN3, that is sodium azide. Zinc phosphide, zinc Zn2 plus, phosphide P3 minus, then the formula will be Zn3P2. Ferric nitrite, ferric nitrite, ferric Fe3 plus, nitrite NO2 minus. Formula will be FeNO2 whole 3, that is ferric nitrite. Cupric sulfate, cupric sulfate, and commonly we are writing that is copper sulfate. Somebody has asked this question, what is the difference between copper sulfate and cupric sulfate? Same, cupric sulfate, generally we are writing that is copper sulfate. Cupric, that is cupric Cu2 plus, cupros, that is Cu plus, cupric sulfate Cu2 plus, SO4 2 minus, then that will the CuSO4, that is copper sulfate. 2 2, that is common. Again, sodium hypochlorite, sodium Na plus, hypochlorite ClO minus, that is having the formula NaClO. This compound that is used for the sanitation purpose during that COVID-19. NaClO, sodium hypochlorite. Pa, that is sodium tetraborate, sodium Na plus, tetraborate B4O7 2 minus, Na plus B4O7 2 minus, then what will the formula? Na2 B4O7. Then sodium thiosulfate, sodium Na plus, thiosulfate S2O3 2 minus. The formula will be Na2S2O3, Na2S2O3. Next one, sodium amide, sodium Na plus, amide, that is NH2 minus. Sodium amide, Na plus, NH2 minus, and the formula will be NaNH2, sodium amide. Imide, that is NH2 minus, but this is amide, NH2 minus, NaNH2. So this is the second part of the question, that is B part. where the question is write down the formula for the compounds. Next we'll go for the C part, last part of the question. Next we'll go for the answer for the C part. The first question, non-metal conducting electricity, that is graphite. This is only the non-metal that has the ability to conduct electricity because of free electron. So second question, conversion of gas. Second question, conversion of gas into liquid. Gas into liquid, that is known as condensation. And another question, solid to gas, that is desublimation. That is solid to gas, desublimation. Then third one, ripening of fruit, that is chemical change. Chemical change, whereas raining is a physical change because water vapor that condense from the water drops. Fourth question, which inert gas is most abundant in atmosphere, that is argon. Fifth one, which metal has highest electrical conductivity, that is silver. Sixth one, that give an example of solid where its atomicity is 4, that is P4. Atomicity means number of atoms that is present in one molecule, and atomicity 8, that is sulfur, S8. Question number 7, that is atomic number of the element, that is 1 to 2. 1 to 2, that is on. For 1 we have to write down that 1. For 2 that is by, another 2 that is by, and that ends in IUM. I is there, only you have to write down that UM. On, by, biome, that is having the symbol UBB. Then atomic number, that is 130. 130. On, tri, nil, IUM, that is on trinilium. 1 for 1 we have to write down that 1, that is on. 3 that is tri, 0 that is nil, and that ends in IUM. Then what is the symbol for this one? UTN. UTN, that is 130. Next one, question number 8. Name the element with the atomic number 24. Atomic number 24, that is chromium. Chromium, that is Cr symbol, and that is copper. 29, that is copper, symbol is Cu. Then 9, question number 9, that is name one liquid metal. Liquid metal, that is your mercury. Hydrogerium, mercury. And another liquid non-metal, that is your Br2 bromine. Liquid metal, that is mercury. Liquid non-metal, that is your bromine. Then question number 10, branch of chemistry which deals with the study of covalently bonded carbon compounds, that is known as organic chemistry. Branch of chemistry which deals with the study of covalently bonded carbon compounds, that is known as organic chemistry. Is known as organic chemistry. Next one, question number 11. Question number 11, symbol of the element potassium. Potassium symbol, that is K, not P. Symbol potassium K. That is meant for, that is K. Kalium, that derived from the word, Latin word kalium. And uranium, that is EU, that is derived from the word, that is urans. that is from the planets. This derived from the planets, this derived from the Latin word. Kalium, that is Uranus, uranium. Next, question number 12. Melting of wax is dash change. Melting of wax, that is the example of physical change. Because during this process there is no composition change, whereas burning of wax is the example of that chemical change. Burning of wax, that is chemical change. Dear students, already we have explained the questions that I have given on my WhatsApp. So go through this question and answers, assess yourself and be prepared for the exam on 25th of this month. So a special prize that will be given to this 10 number of students who have done well in that exam. So be prepared. Whatever that we have covered till today, you have to prepare up to that and be ready for that exam on 25th. Thank you all.